Ano nga ba mga posibleng mangyari after mong mag-drop out? So, ito yung mga na-realize ko after kong mag-drop out para magtrabaho. At ngayong, bumalik na ulit ako sa college as a working student. Number 1, you get to rest. Kasi for the longest time in our lives, from elementary, kinder, high school, you are moving in a structured environment. So ngayon, na natanggal yung huge part na yun, kahit medyo nagtatrabaho na ako noon, ang daming oras na lumuwag. Ginamit ko lang din yung time na yun para magpahinga before talaga ako nag-work na full-time talaga. You will take your much needed break, lalo na if you didn't like where you were nung nag-aaral ka pa. Number 2, money. Specifically, pressure to earn money. Not unless mayaman ka na talaga at pinanganak kang with generational wealth, dadating at dadating yung pressure na kumita ng pera. Lalo na if you're doing nothing. Kasi ano yung panggagastos mo para sa sarili mo. And minsan, pasok din yung pressure to be able to contribute to your household. Malaking factor din to into what other decisions and commitments you will get into. I-try mo ba i-build yung career mo? Ano nga aralin mong skills? Anong ipaprioritize mo? Ano nga ba talaga yung mga responsibilidad mo? At pangarap mo na kailangan mong pagtrabahuan. So one way or another, mahirap talaga iwasan yung pressure to earn money. Not just for your family, but specifically for yourself. Pause muna tayo dito, 3 and 4 on the next video.